All right. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you, and welcome back to UK Live, 2:30 a.m. Eastern. It is, and we are moving into a new week, 8th of January, just about the UK Live session, uh, and let's get started. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for your support and your comments. It really means a lot. It also means that you're watching it, and it's a learning process for all of us, including me. It's not about me, it's more about you. So I would really appreciate all your comments, and I take for noting each of them at, at a personal level. Starting this week, based on a comment that I received yesterday, I will be sending in more videos apart from except these two live sessions, that is the UK and the New York. More videos individually with different time frames labeled properly on the wave counts. Point number one, and point number two, as I promised, the Christmas gift. There are 5 more sessions to be done, at least 5 more sessions for the Elliott wave count. I'll begin to post them today, uh, not on a regular basis as 9 a.m. I'll let you know in the New York Live if you are meeting 9 a.m. tomorrow, but I intend to start posting the Elliott wave videos separately on a playlist, and all the videos for the education's sessions you can find out in that playlist, and spend time watching those and learning and commenting on them. All right, please let me know what you want, and uh, I'd be more than happy to do that. All right, so let's spend some around 8 minutes for this session discussing. In this session, we will discuss about the 4-hour time frame, because most of them have been with me since last 1 month, and they know what Euro USD is looking like, or the most likelihood. All right, and we've added 13 more members into our family since last Monday. uh, a humble welcome to all of you, brothers and sisters. I hope you will enjoy being here, and if you're liking it, like, share, and spread the word. The grace of God, this family is going to turn about 1 million users in the coming year. All right, so let's get started off with the Euro USD 4-hour chart. Basic things first. Till the time prices remain above the trend line support here, bears will not be completely into control. Point number two, we are expecting, I'm not writing out, let's label the wave counts quickly here. Wave 5 at a very high degree, at least above this degree. Wave 5 is underway with at least 3 waves. It's trying to produce an engulfing ending diagonal if it is. So if it is an ending diagonal, we have got wave 1, 2, most probably we've also done wave 3 here, and we are looking, or we should be looking for a wave 4 dropping lower, maybe towards a Fibonacci 61.8%. That's not a certainty though, but at least it would come and drop below the 1920 mark. So we will be watching this closely. If it drops towards the 1900 level, this is where we are wanting to take our short-term profits, around the 1900 mark. So that would be wave 4, and then probably a push higher as the fifth wave towards the 2100 or maybe 2200 mark. That should complete the fifth wave at a higher degree on a daily chart before euro tops out. They should we are expecting this process to. Let's see how soon it is happening. Is it in the month of January or is it taking us in February? All right. So trading point of view, if you are short in the euro, then kindly remain short. We sold 35 last week, just beginning to make a few pips now. Stop loss remains around 2100 and the take profits around the 1900 level, so we'll be watching out closely. Okay, since I started a few channels for the Indian segments last week, I just want to make a small announcement here. Apart from the t.me/Harsh Japee, which is a general first channel that we started off in November 2017. We've got 3 more channels now for the Indian segment. It's not picked up yet, but it will. I'll start getting in members there for the equity, commodity and the currency sector in the Indian market, and that would be around the same address, t.me/Harsh Japee _equity, then _commodities and currency. Right, so if you want to join in there, please do so. More videos are in line to be posted there as well. That would be in Hindi. GBPUSD, again we are on the short side. Trading point of view, we are expecting prices to now cut loose or begin to cut loose on the south side. Let's see, because the Fibonacci extensions are pointing easily towards the 1.3 mark from here. The boundary which is being worked upon is between 3600 and almost 3500. This is where we are expecting. If you look at the 161.8%, I don't want to set this up, but the 161.8% extension of the small boundary which is being worked upon is hitting 1.33. So the trading point of view, you can still go short with a stop above 3660. I repeat, sir, whether you are trading short term or medium term or long term, right now the stop loss will remain at 1.3660 levels. All right, specifically why? Because that is the swing resistance, September 2017 swing resistance or swing highs, which is not yet breached, and it should not get breached if the bears are to remain in control going forward. All right, so short in pound, short in the euro with the respective stop losses and targets that we have discussed right now. Gold is I would not say it's a matter of concern. Just about for the short term it looks like a big matter of concern, but it is not really actually. The counts I would like to take on a daily chart. It's what it means is we had wave A. It's constructing a huge triangle actually at 12. A terminated at 1375, then B went on towards 1120. Wave C kind of terminated at 1353 within the larger triangle structure. Now wave D, we've been expecting wave D to go and terminate around the 1200 mark. All right. If you observe what happened in the last week of December, that particular leg actually pipped us. It could be that wave D might have ended around the 1236 mark. There is a possibility, okay, it's not a confirmation yet, but there is a good possibility that wave B ended at 1236 rather than 1200 levels. And what we are seeing right now is wave E into construction. Now wave E would also want to take up three waves. You in a triangle there are three waves. Each wave develops or subdivides into three waves. All right. So wave 1 is ready within the wave E. What it means is there is going to be a drop, or we can expect a drop. Let's say this is wave A. We can count 5 easily. Wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's a 5 waves. Now there should be a 3-wave drop, 3-wave corrective drop. It could extend all the way towards the 1270 mark. Simple Fibonacci retracement also suggests the same. I need to set this up as well. Okay, it's been done. So the 60% is towards the 1270 and the 38.2% is starting at 1291. So if you notice the active trade setup which was issued on the Telegram channel just before 1 hour or so, the take profit levels for gold has been specifically mentioned at 1290.92 levels. What I would like to humbly request or suggest is that if you are short, it's good to remain short right now, and with a stop around 1330, where have your soft target around 1291.92. Maximum it could go towards 1270. Any drop below 1260, that is below the 61.8% and almost towards the 78.6%, that would enable us for a different view. Maybe it could still go and drop all the way towards the 1200 mark, complete wave D as far as the price action is concerned, and then resume wave E. So either we've got the first leg of wave E or the last leg, or the second leg of wave D, if it is an expanded flat. A, B and C, 3, 3 and 5. So if it's an expanded flat within the wave D, then you're going to see a stupendous drop straight towards 1200. Otherwise, we will find support around 1270 mark within the wave E for one more high, one more push about 1325, maybe towards 1330 or 1340. Before a big bearish wave begins. Alright, so this is a gold description. Trading point of view, remain short please, with a stop around 1330 and soft target around 1290.92. Crude oil, we are already short from 60, nothing else to be done right now. Major termination of wave 4. According to the weekly chart, which we have been discussing since last week, that was a previous wave 4 of a lower degree. We've got a potential wave 4 of a higher degree being terminated. Individual charts will consist of all the labels of different time frames, I promise. I think I'll start it from today itself. Alright, so that is wave 4. If by all means that is correct, we should be seeing base taking control back from here. The first soft target should be around the 55 mark. Alright. And Bitcoin, I don't have the chart right now. I need to bring up, it will take some time. And I will discuss Bitcoin in the next session, New York Live. So we have 6 trades active on the desk, including euro, pound, gold and crude oil on the short side. The dollar index on the long side, here you are, the dollar index. Same story to be unfolded as Euro USD at least towards 93 mark, wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If it is producing an ending diagonal, we are long from 92, 91, 90 levels, with a stop around the 91.10 mark, with a short-term target of around 93 levels. All right. So 6 trades on the desk right now, including Bitcoin. And let's bring this session to a pause, and again we'll be meeting after a few hours. In between that time, I'll be posting some more videos on an individual basis, or as well as some educational videos and update the same on the Telegram channel. Alright, so let's bring this session to a pause, and I'll be back again after a few hours to discuss the extended version of what has taken place in the last 4 to 5 hours. All right. At this point in time, things are looking good. Please remain on the suggestive trade setups, and till the next time, please take care and God bless. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.